guys, it's hashtag goes here 207 here. As you can see, we are
outside.
Yeah. We don't do that too often, but we have some little explosives over here. We've got 2 little dynamites. We've got 1 stuck in here, and then these are the color bombs. Then over there,
Yeah, we're gonna do that on the tar.
we've got some cool little furry bomb explosion things. So we've got our dad to light them.
Because we don't want to set the grass on fire.
Yeah, so
So
like,
let's
if
start
you're
off
do
with
this and you're
the.
like a kid that's like under 16 or so, you should definitely have like a parent to do it. So yeah, let's do this.
We're starting with the.
Little firecrackers.
Okay.
Keep in mind it's kind of loud, so
Yeah.
for us it is. Okay.
Sometimes second time's a charm.
Yeah. It's a little buggy out, so. Oh. That was loud. Okay.
So that is the little firecracker.
I think we have 2 others. Yes, we do.
Are we doing them too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
We're lighting 2 of them again. And they will do the smoke bombs.
And yeah, then we'll do the smoke bombs, and then we'll go over there for the
Tar.
Oh, that was cool.
Double snap.
So now let's do the smoke bombs.
Yeah, smoke bombs.
We've bunched all of them up because we tried one before, and they don't really like explode or anything with color. But that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Different colors smoke.
Yeah, wow.
That worked well.
So now we've just got those.
Color bombs
So
done.
now we're
We
gonna
can
go
run
color them.
over to tar.
Yeah, we've got these throwy things over here.
Oh, we're throwing it here.
Yeah, so I actually got cut in the leg with these. Yeah, 2 little spots.
That's fine.
Okay.
Here they are. There we go.
Oh, sounds like burning ribbon.
And there is the little firecracker. And is that the end of the video about?
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.